Hello, good morning everyone. So today is our logic and reasoning class and we are going to learn about parts of a bird. So let's begin to learn parts of a bird. So can you see that bird? This bird is a toucan. What is that? Toucan. So we are going to learn about body parts of a bird. Can you see that eye? This is an eye. We have also eyes. Birds have also eyes. So this is eye. This is head. Repeat, head. And these are wings, which birds need to fly. Birds need wings to fly. Wings. Repeat. This is tail. So wings and tails are covered with feathers. So these are feathers. Can you see that? Yes. Now you have to learn and repeat. These are claw, which birds need claws to sit on a tree. This is beak. We have mouth and birds have beak. Body. What is this? Body. And these are legs. So can you see that? Leg. This is a leg. So we are going to repeat it one more time. Eye, head, wings, tail, feather, claw, beak, body, leg. Well done. So revise and learn the parts of a bird. So now we are going to discuss about Friday's activity. That what we are going to do on Friday. So we are going to do this coloring part of Busy Bee books, which you have got in your book set. So what we are going to do, we are going to color the bowl. We're going to color the downwards part of the ice cream, and we are going to sprinkle the glitter on the top parts of the ice cream, the blue one and the red one. Can you see that? And the glitters are present at the back of the book. You can see that, or your folder, in your Busy Bee folder, you can find it from there. So we are going to do that. So we will read some crayons for tomorrow's activity. Fevicol, glitter, that's all. So for today's activity, we are going to draw a sun. I've taken a white sheet. I've taken some colors, yellow and orange. If you're not having orange, you can mix yellow with some red and it turns out to be orange like this. Okay, now what you have to do, just put your date, today's date, on the top of your sheet. That is 23 July, like this. Put classwork. And write sun. S U N. This kids have to do that, and you can take help of your mama. Just put date, put classwork, and write SUN, sun. Now let's begin. Dip your finger in the color and start making a circle, yellow circle. Dip it again and do like this. So this sun, you can paste it on the back side of your Busy Bee book or on your scrapbook. And if you're not having that, just keep it safely. Whenever you will bought a book set, just stick it there like this. So this is a circle. Can you see that? This is a circle. Now fill the circle with the yellow color with your finger like this. Fill it properly, fill it properly. Fill it properly so that I can't see any white space like this. Dip your finger, put dots, dots, dots like this. Dip it again. And cover it properly so you can see a yellow circle. Now you're going to dip your finger in the orange color and you're going to make sun rays. A big line like this and then a small line. Again dip your finger, big line, small line like this. Dip your finger, big, small, big, small. See? Big, small. Again, dip your finger, make a big line, small line, big, small, big, and small. See? And like this and stick it on the back of a scrapbook or a busy bee book. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe.